Here I got ASUS ZenPad 3S, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all apps, then go to the settings, and now locate and open Do Not Disturb. Here it is. And now if you would like to activate it manually, just click on Turn on Do Not Disturb manually right here, and now select the mode that you would like to apply. You can pick Use Allow List, Alarms Only, or Total Silence, and I will pick Total Silence. And now you can choose the period of time for which you would like to apply this mode. So let me pick, for example, 10 hours. Obviously you can stay with until you turn this off, but I will choose some setup and then tap on OK. So that's it. Then you can also customize your allow list. So just click on allow list, and here you can apply reminders or switch them off, also events, and also you can allow messages from someone. So you can pick from anyone, from contacts only, favorite contacts only, and this is what I will choose, or obviously from none of above. And then also you can schedule your DND mode. If you would like to schedule it, just click on Turn on According to Schedule, and you can pick weeknight, weekend, event, or add some schedule prepared by yourself. So let me pick Add Schedule. It can be either event schedule or time schedule. I will pick time schedule, and now you have to name it. So let me name it Hard, and then tap on OK. And now you just have to pick the days and period of time. So click on days to choose the days on which it should be active. Let me switch off, for example, Sunday and Saturday. So this rule will be active from Monday to Friday. Click on Done, and then just pick the time. So it can be from 11 p.m. till 5 a.m. next day. And that's it. From now on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. next day, your DND mode would be active. And also you can click on Do Not Disturb right here just to pick the mode that you would like to have once it's active, and I will choose Alarms Only. And this is it. This is how you can customize your DND mode, how you can activate it and deactivate it. Then if you'd like to delete this rule, just open it and tap on bin icon. Click on delete to confirm, and as you can see, it's no longer here. So this is it. This is how you can use your DND mode in ASUS ZenPad 3S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.